Everyone, this is Richa. Today we will talk about idioms because lots of people also nowadays so much actually focusing on idioms, phrases, new vocabulary, and that's why I would love to share whatever I have stuff. Definitely, I would love to share with you all. For that things, what will you do? You will have to subscribe my channel, like, share, or yeah, of course, do not forget to press the bell icon because by that actually notification you can get my new videos which I am uploading on daily basis. So let's get started with Richa. So first idiom is black and white. Black and white. Black and white means in written or printed something. Printed from black and white. So what is it? Black and white. Let's get example. I want to see it in black and white. I want to see it in black and white. Next, by leaps and bounds means बहुत ही तेजी से, rapidly fast. You are growing rapidly in within few seconds. Leaps and bounds, or maybe you just using this idiom when you are actually growing in your business and the time you are achieving success. You are achieving success by leaps and bounds. मतलब बहुत जल्दी से आपको अगर सक्सेस मिल रही है then you can use this idioms leaps and bounds. Okay, so let's take example by leaps and bounds. School enrollment is increasing by leaps and bounds. Let's take a second example of by leaps and bounds. The corn is growing by leaps and bounds. Third idiom. So third idiom is ins and outs on simple idiom. So that of course you also can use easily. Generally that you can use these idioms. Okay. So ins and outs means full details. When you are actually submitting any form at the time you need full details. Means you can say I want all informations. I want all things which is really required ins and outs for this form. We should know ins and outs of job after couple of years of experience or having experience. Fourth idiom is to go. Fourth idiom is scot-free. How to use it? First of all, let me check it the meaning of scot-free of idiom. Scot-free means to go unpunishment. Let's take an example. Harshvardhan goes scot-free. Meanwhile, and Vidyadhar decides to seek justice on scot-free. On cloud nine. On cloud nine means extremely happy. When someone is really happy and that person is feeling enthusiasm that I am happy by internally. I am happy to get this news. He finally proposed to her. She was on cloud nine. Got it? So please just try to learn all idioms. These are only 5 idioms which I shared with you. Please use it. First of all, learn it and be passive, not active. So keep in your mind and use those idioms when you are actually going practice. Use it more and more. Black and white, by leaps and bounds, scot-free, on cloud nine, ins and outs. Ins and outs means full of details. Okay, so bye. Do not forget to share my videos. Thank you.